If you've got a Nissan Juke with this red battery light on, make sure you watch this video first, as I've just changed an alternator for absolutely no reason at all. I'll definitely say it's the alternator. Don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's smoking and it absolutely stinks. So I definitely think that's the cause. This light indicates that there is an issue with the charging system for the battery. Usually this would point to the alternator or wiring, but in my case it actually turned out to be the horn. Do they all sound this bad, or is it just mine? If your horn does not work, then this could be a very easy fix. Well, the way to diagnose a faulty alternator is with a voltmeter. I don't really need to do this with mine as it is smoking, but I'm going to show you just to demonstrate. So it's on the voltage setting, so that should read around 12 volts across there. Yeah, 12.7. So when you start the engine, that should jump up to around 14. If it stays the same, then that means it's not charging. So I'm going to fire it up. This is the moment I realised that the alternator was overcharging rather than not at all, and would also explain the smoke. If your voltage does not change, then it is likely the alternator at fault. I'll be making another video on this, as I've already changed it. However, once I replaced it, I still had the same issue. I discovered that Nissan, in their wisdom, have put the horn and the alternator on the same circuit. All it was a cheap fuse that took a minute to change. What you want to do is check these fuses. So pull this off here, and it'll be just that one there, which operates the horn and the alternator. So you'll probably notice that the horn doesn't work as well if that fuse is gone. This is the one that came out of mine. You can see it's blown. So yeah, just check that first before you change an alternator. Save you a lot of time and money. If this video was of any help to you, then please like and subscribe to support the channel. As mentioned previously, I will be making another video shortly on how to change the alternator if needed. Thank you for watching.